So what we've seen lately is actually that the migration to IP is now done. It's been a talk about that for a long time, but now everyone has started to complete it. And what operators start to realize is that the operational cost of those networks is actually higher than they originally thought of. And you can see that study shows that up to like 7% of the cost over a 5-year period is actually about operational cost, managing, troubleshooting, training costs, etc. And when starting to realize that, the migration is already done, you want solutions that could actually simplify the way that you utilize the IP infrastructure. And one way to do that is to use like a Nimbra MSR network, where you actually channelize the IP infrastructure and let the video flow in like specific pathways through the IP-MPLS infrastructure with a controllable and manageable solution. That means that you can constantly monitor that solution, you can find faults and react before things is starting to happen in your network. That we can see that it's actually reducing the cost of, for example, traffic engineering as much as 75%, and it's actually reducing the troubleshooting time as much as 50% of the time. So it's not only reducing the cost of the network, but it's also helping the service provider to be more customer friendly, to react quicker on customer demands, to have the ability to have a shorter time to market when launching new services, for example, because it's actually a deterministic way to establish services onto the network. So simplifying network complexities and make it easy is the new challenge for the operator.